Imagine an autonomous robot that follows you through a crowded indoor environment without confusing you with someone else and safely navigating around obstacles along the way. Our system is built using a Raspberry Pi 5 connected to a Firebird 5 robot using USB-UART communication. A USB webcam mounted on the top captures the surrounding, enabling real-time person detection and tracking. The robot can be activated using simple voice commands such as start and stop, making interaction completely hands-free. Start. Stop. Once activated, the robot detects multiple people in its field of view and locks onto a single target. Even when others enter the scene or cross its path, it continues following the same person instead of switching targets. The robot continuously adjusts its movement to keep the selected person centered while maintaining a comfortable following distance. Stop. Start. To ensure safe navigation, the robot continuously monitors its surroundings using onboard distance sensing. Whenever an obstacle is encountered, it intelligently avoids the obstruction while continuing to pursue the locked target, allowing smooth navigation through dynamic indoor environments. Stop.
To complement the robot, we have created a live dashboard which displays the robot's camera feed, real-time detections, and the currently locked target, providing a clear visualization of the computer vision pipeline running on the Raspberry Pi. So by combining computer vision, voice interaction, obstacle avoidance, and intelligent target locking, we have developed an autonomous follow robot designed for reliable operation in real-world indoor environments.